Alrighty, guys, this is my Chrysler, my Caravan. Alright, I ain't got no brake lights, guys. I am so tired of people reminding me of pulling up the side of me and telling me I have no brake lights. I need to tip them. Y'all see these fault codes right here? Yes, guys, I've already previously diagnosed this, and it's leading me directly to the drivers inside to tip them. Remember, this tip them have multiple responsibilities, alright? And brake lights is one of them. But you know what? I can't afford a new one, or at least I don't want to pay for a new one. So y'all know where I'm going? Pull apart, man. Let's get it. Alrighty, guys, as you can see, I'm here, man. I saw two police officers behind me on the way here. I do not want to get pulled over for no brake lights at all. Guys, this is a short video, man. Y'all stay tuned, man. I'm going to try to fix this while I'm here. Got enough tools just to get the job done, all right? I don't want to drive home without brake lights and get pulled over. So this is a short video. Y'all stay tuned for the full video. Alrighty, guys. Yes, it's a full video. I figured I might as well film. I might find something interesting out here, guys. Y'all know, pull apart a salvage yard, you always can just accidentally stumble up on something interesting. Now, the challenge I'm facing is, will they have a 2009 model Caravan here? I'm sure that Tipum is compatible between 08 and 010, or 2010, right? Yeah. Remember, guys, in 2011, it search vehicle. In 2011, the bus network changed. Okay, so yeah, you will not, that Tipum will not be the same. I'm gonna go Dodge Grand Caravan 2009. Hey, see, nothing exactly 2009. Hell, oh, ain't not, mine ain't compatible with that. This 2012, that's a different bus network, guys. All right, so this is Dodge Grand Caravan. Let's do a Chrysler Town and Country. All right, vehicle search, Chrysler Town and Country, 2009. Oh my goodness, are you serious? There's nothing out here that's gonna be compatible with my car, guys. Are you telling me I'm wasting my time? This is something I could have did on the internet as well. Okay, hold on, what's the other alternatives? Either Chrysler Town and Country or Dodge Grand Caravan. Or, no, that's it. Yeah, none of these will be, oh my goodness, guys. I can't believe this. Are you telling me I just wasted a good trip? I think I have, man. Oh, no. Oh, shh. Do I got any other option? Chrysler, Dodge. No, it's either Chrysler or Dodge Grand Caravan or Caravan. Let's try a regular Caravan. Yeah, same thing. 4303. Yeah, nothing out here is compatible with my 2009 Chrysler. That's the only thing you call it. TC? What's TC stand for? I don't know. Let's see. Yeah. Let's do Chrysler. What was this other one? Voyager? No, that's only the new stuff. So worth the shot. Guys, you know what? We might have to go over to S&W. Yeah, this is, ain't nothing here compatible with my car. Got to be more freaking careful. Alright, let's see if they got anything. Let's go to S&W, guys. They right down the street. Alright. Damn. Let's get it. Got to be more freaking careful, man. Oh my goodness, what a wasted trip. The thing about it, guys, I'm about to head out. S&W Auto Salvage right down the street. About to head over there. The thing about their vehicles, S&W like to snatch everything out because they also indulge in part sale. See, this is a different type of salvage yard. They'd rather sell everything on the car. S&W would take parts off the car and try to sell the parts individually. So they may have several 2009 Caravans out here, but the Tipums may already be gone. They right down the street. There's only one way to find out. You know what? Let's get it. Yeah. See, you know what's crazy? I'm leaving. Look, that sign right there said pull apart here. And this is one of their closest rival, their closest competitor, S&W. But there's a sign right here. I bet S&W put this sign right here. In other words, if you don't find what you're looking for over there, come on down here. We got what you need. Well, S&W, I'm about to give y'all a shot. I'm about to see what y'all got, man. It's right down the street, guys. Let's get it. Alrighty, guys. When I say down the street, damn it, I mean right down the street. It wasn't even a good mile. S&W, you pull it. That's the section I'm going to. But like I say, guys, they got a habit of taking all the goodies out of the freaking cars. Most of these cars be, y'all remember that video I did about the insurance company be getting parts from these type places? Y'all on there, I said I wasn't no snitch. Y'all on that dogging me out by not telling y'all which company do it. Most of all, look, man, I'm not working on that car. I just saw the parts over there, and the guy told me what was going on. But I don't know, I don't have the answers to y'all questions as it relates to that. So, basically, I don't freaking know. Yeah, look, here we go, guys. We here. So I'm gonna go in here. I'm gonna try to get a go-kart, guys. Go-kart rental is like $5. I do not feel like walking all the way in the back because the Chrysler section is in the freaking back, way in the back. All right, so let me grab my tool bag. Like I say, I ain't got no tools to grab nothing else, so I'm only interested in specifically what I came out here for. You know what I'm saying? So let's do this, man. Goodness, wasted a little time on that freaking, on that damn pull apart. Lord knows I probably could have just got online and see if they had the vehicle, because they keep an inventory on their website. So I might have brought this on to myself. Hey, look at that Silverado right there, guys. I bet they wish they had got a Ram 1500, right, with a Hemi in it. Yeah, I know it's a bunch of y'all haters out there. There go one. That's what I'm talking about. I mean, ain't nothing wrong with his truck. Yes, sir. Let me see. Based off the year, I would like to guess. Look, Hemi. Look at that badge right there. Ram, Hemi, baby. No ticking, none of that. All right. Hey, these guys here got a lot of work to do. Check them out. Ooh. Ooh. They doing some body work. Interesting. No, I ain't interested in no body work, dude. I'm out here trying to get me some damn fuse box tipple and be done with this. Alright, so y'all hold tight. I don't want to be seen coming in here recording. See what I'm saying? So, I ain't been in here in a while. I wonder how you can tell what. Like, I don't want to waste my time, so I'm going to verify if they have one even out on the lot. You know what I mean? So y'all hold tight.